you a recent NEET PG student who is not sure taking an admission into a private medical college versus the USMLE? So let me tell you a story. In the same private medical college in India, candidate A took an admission immediately after MBBS for a PG program, and candidate B started preparing for USMLE, step 1, step 2, rotations, profile, and finally at the end of the third year, candidate B got matched in the USPG program. The result is candidate A, after 3 years of PG in an Indian private medical college, was looking for a job. Since he did a PG from private medical college, he was getting a job between 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees per month in his city. However, he also was on a debt of more than 2 crore rupees because he did a PG from a private medical college. At the same time, his friend, candidate B, who completed his USMLE journey in the third year and got finally admission into a PG program in United States, started his residency or PG with first year of 4 lakh of a salary and 0 tuition fee. And the only expenditure he did in the USMLE process was roughly around 15 to 20 lakhs. So in 3 years of residency, candidate B is earning about 1.5 CR and recovering the entire money which he spent towards his USMLE expenditure. However, candidate A has to clear out the debt of 2 CR with a salary of roughly about 1.5 to 2 lakhs. What makes sense to you? Do you want to become a candidate A and pick up a private medical college PG seat, or decide to work hard and pursue your US medical PG dream and become a licensed practitioner in United States? And also, tomorrow if you decide to come back and work in India, the degree is very much recognized. So make your wise choice now.